Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to enable auto call recording on your Infinix Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your dialer on your Infinix Android phone. After you open up your dialer, go ahead and click on this setting icon from the top. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and turn on this button right here. Once you turn on this button, every incoming call is going to be auto record on your Infinix Android phone. After a successful make call and record, how do you find the call? Go back right here. Let's say, for instance, you record this particular call on auto. What you need to do is to click on here. Then scroll down right here, click on call recording. Then you have all recording right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Infinix Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.